Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you that do know me and you've been watching my videos, thank you so much for coming back. Now, today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. I've been trying to literally just put on makeup so I can film videos so you guys can see me doing my makeup application. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Turn your post notifications on. Give this video a nice big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next. And shout out your YouTube channel down below. I love to come follow you on your YouTube journey here as well. Now, as I said, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing somewhat of a copper halo eye. I really wanted to do something kind of simple today, since my last video was a pink and purple smoky eye. It was very dramatic. I wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit today, you know, just because I'm not really doing too much. And then like the next video will be more of a, you know, bam, glam, thank you ma'am type video. So yeah, this video I wanted to kind of tone things down. I want to do like some very dramatic, bold, colorful looks, but I also want to show you guys that, you know, you can tone it down a little bit too, and you can do very neutral, new colors, new makeup, you know, just something for like the everyday wear. Because, you know, a lot of you guys out there, you look for things, you look for looks to wear on an everyday basis. Maybe you work in like a corporate office setting and you want to look alive and awake and into, but you don't want to look over glam, over the top. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the best of both worlds here. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right into the video. If you want to see how I get the look, then of course just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so somehow my foundation application footage disappeared, got deleted. I'm not sure what was happening. I don't even think I was recorded. So we're starting with concealer, but I would say the foundation I used was the Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation Dewy in the shade Toffee Pecan Medium Deep. I have it listed down below if you guys want to check it out so you can see what I used. And now I'm using concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. I love this concealer so much because it is super amazing coverage. And whenever I use this concealer, I don't have to worry about doubling up my layers of foundation, because this just gives me the coverage I need, and the texture is just perfect. The color is perfect. I just love this formula. It's so amazing. So I'm just using this concealer to highlight, and now I'm blending it out after letting it kind of dry down for a couple of seconds, because it dries pretty fast, but it's still movable. So I love this concealer so much. I also put some below my cheekbone because I did do a little bit of reverse contouring today. Alright, so next I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana and Terracotta. I mixed the two to get the perfect color. Banana just seems to be too light for me, and terracotta is too orange, but together they give me the perfect color that I like. Alright, so now I'm going in with this LA Colors bronzer, and I'm popping that in the crease of my eye, using this as a transition color. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm taking this Ittse shadow, and this is called Cabin in the Woods. It's a really pretty matte chocolate brown shadow, and I'm just putting it on the outer and inner corners of my eye to really give me a halo effect. Next, I'm going in with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out any harsh edges. Then I'm going in, I'm taking this liquid shadow, and it's from Essence. It's a metal shop eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Solar Explosion. And I'm using that as like a base, and I'm gonna apply this Mecca shadow on top. It's a copper eyeshadow. Meech and Mia shadow in copper. So it's like a loose shadow, and I'm applying that onto the base just to kind of get it to pop more. Then going in and doing some more blending, and I'm gonna take the Cabin in the Woods shadow, and I'm applying it underneath my lower lash line because I'm not using any eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors powder in the shade Tan, and I'm using this to set my entire face, going over the highlighted areas just a bit, kind of pushing that powder in. And then I'm going back in with that LA Colors bronzer, and I'm just kind of bronzing up my face. It's giving me a nice sun-kissed glow. Alright, so I'm using that same bronzer as well to go in and contour my nose. And then for blush, I'm using another Ittse cheek product. And this brush, this cheek color is called Premier. And I'll have that listed down below as well. Then I'm going to set my face with some setting spray. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in Hustle and Glow, just to highlight to give me a nice extra glow. After I highlight where my lashes are drying, I'm taking this Nicki Minaj matte lipstick in Plum Dandy, going on the inner portion of my lips, and then I'm going to take a NYX liquid lipstick to go on the outer portion. And this one is a cream, I don't know what it's called. I'll list it down below. I don't know at the top of my head right now, but it's a cream lipstick. Just blending it out, and that's pretty much it for you guys. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes, I have new hairstyle, new hair. Who this? But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what other looks you guys like to see, and I will definitely go ahead and get those filmed and uploaded. Like I said, I'll be coming with more dramatic looks as well as more toned down looks. You know, to some people this still may be glammed up, a little bit more glam to their liking, but it's like my neutral glam, my version of neutral glam, because I'm just a glam girl anyway. But yeah, if you'd like to see more looks like this, more like neutral toned down looks, then let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.